sawa.
Okay, thank you. We have today received leaders from pastoralist counties. We've received leaders from Marsabit. We've received leaders from Laikipia. We've received leaders from Narok and Kajiado County.
Coming election. We've had a very good meeting, and among the issues we've discussed, as the whole country is aware, we are saying no reforms, no elections. No reforms, no elections. No reforms, no elections. That is a message we are sending to our people. We do not just want any election, we want an election whose outcome is not predetermined. We have also discussed some of our people who have been seen to defect. And the people here are saying that those people who are defecting are not representing the people. They are representing their own agenda. People are still in NASA behind Raila Odinga. So those who are purporting to have left with people, our people are solidly behind NASA. So we want to send a very strong message to Jubilee. We know what you did in the general election in some of our counties. This time round, tuko macho, tuko na nyinyi. Hatutakubali kura yetu tena kuibiwa. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Musi. Well, gentlemen of the media, because I see no ladies here. Oh, they are lady. Thank you. As Honorable Musi has said, please, can we have silence? Can we? This has been a meeting with the leaders from the Ma community coming from Kajiado, Narok, Laikipia, Samburu, and also by extension, Marsabit. They are concerned that, and the main issue was exercising their mind is the question of what happened to the votes that they cast on August 8th. They are convinced that the results declared did not reflect their preferences, that leaders were imposed on them. Those concerns are reflected in the results we shared with them from some of the polling stations that we were able to share with them from the IBC's own records. One laughable one was a polling station in Narok North called Naituyapaki Primary School in Olkurtu Ward. There, the registered voters were 507. But IBC records indicate that vote cast for president were 5,527. That is 1,000% turnout. This is the Kenyan record, if not a world record. There are very many such cases that only confirm that there were no elections in Kenya in August. As long as the IBC, the OTP MOFO, Safaricom, and Gurai are in charge of elections, nothing will change in October. The question the Ma community is struggling with, the same one many other communities are asking. Why should Kenyans expect IBC to do the right thing in October? And this is the question Uhuru Kenyatta and his team do not want to answer. The reason Uhuru and Ruto are defending the IBC because they know that they're the only team that can steal votes for them. Uhuru is telling us that the IBC is independent and should be left to do his work. And they are busy attacking judges of the Supreme Court who are also independent. Yesterday, we said Kenyans are being treated to a huge conspiracy that incorporates local and global players, including big business. Yes. We especially said that Safaricom colluded with ITOOT MOFO and routed results to servers abroad, but made no provision to return those results to Kenya. Safaricom has today bought space in all print media to lament that it is being targeted. The question asked has not been answered. Did Safaricom route results to servers in Paris? Did it route those results back to Kenya? That is a question that is not answered. Big corporations are a part and parcel of the killing of democracy in Kenya. We don't allow Kenya to be a playground for forces that want to stifle our progress as a nation. In fact, we are considering beginning a period of economic boycott of products and corporations that are working against the interests of the people of Kenya. Yeah. South Africans did it in their struggle against apartheid. We may be forced to do it in our struggle for democracy and progress in Kenya. Thank you. End of statement.